following portion of Daytime Blue Ridge is sponsored by
Balance Wellspace exists to inspire our community to lead healthier lives, and they do this through many avenues. One of those is stem cell therapy.
Yeah, and joining us to talk about the therapy is Kaylin Shepard. Thanks so much for coming in.
Thanks for having me today.
Yeah, absolutely. All right, let's talk about stem cell therapy for Balance Wellspace. Why was it incorporated into your practice?
So stem cell therapy really aligns with the whole philosophy of our building. We provide functional medicine, chiropractic care, medical weight loss, a bunch of different modalities, but we're really involved in being innovative and really supporting the community through wellness. With stem cell therapy, we're able to offer our patients just a different modality for chronic pain management. Nowadays with the opioid crisis as healthcare providers, we're constantly trying to combat that. And so it's just an additional service that really is a wonderful product that we're able to offer to our patients.
Yeah. So let's talk about the candidates. Who would be the best for stem cell therapy?
Any athletes with injuries that maybe aren't recovering well, anyone with a diagnosis of osteoarthritis, joint pain, muscle pain, all of those type of people would be a candidate for stem cell therapy.
Okay. Yeah, let's talk a little bit about how it works. I mean, you can do this right there in your office, right?
We do. It's an injection, a stem cell injection. I do place them under guided ultrasound, so we're able to, see the location of the body on the ultrasound screen. It's very similar to a steroid injection if a patient has ever received something like that before.
Okay.
It's a very simple office procedure. It takes maybe about 10 or 15 minutes from start to finish. The wonderful thing about stem cells is the downtime is just very minimal. So we're able to keep our patients out of surgery. They're able to be out running errands typically the following day and really can kind of see some great pain management following the injection.
So you mentioned surgery. What's the comparison when it comes to cost?
Cost of stem cell therapy versus a surgery, a lot of times we can beat copays on surgeries. It kind of depends on that person's insurance coverage. Stem cell therapy is not covered by insurance, but we do offer a bunch of different options for financing and payment options in-house with us.
Yeah, let's talk about recovery for a minute because, if you get this injection, as you mentioned, and there's also a steroid shot. Talk a little bit about the difference and the recovery in both.
So it is going to be very similar recovery. Stem cells are very different from a steroid injection.
Okay.
Stem cells really go into work on decreasing inflammation, fixing the actual problem of the cause. So whether it's an injury or arthritis, a lot of times steroids can be masking some of those problems. So stem cells really try to work at the root of the cause of the problem. But downtime, again, usually we want to keep you out of weight-bearing activity for about 2 weeks after the injection. We have you leaving the office in nice supportive tennis shoes. We want you heating the joint itself, but downtime, most of the time my patients are out at the grocery store the next day, it's nice.
So if somebody wants to get in touch with you, how can they do that?
They can call the office and set up a free consultation or visit our Facebook page, those type of things as well too.
Amazing what you guys can do. Thank you,
Thanks.
Kaylin.
Yeah.